First one, how long can my beer or cocktail stay in a keg before it goes bad? This is actually a fairly common question that we get here, and it depends on what you're putting in it. I think what they're referring to is oxidation, right? And like oxygen makes food and liquids go bad. And depending on what you're putting in your kegs, um, alcohol is a preservative, sugar is a preservative, hops are a preservative. Um, CO2, which is how beverages are normally dispensed, is an inert gas, meaning it's free of oxygen and it's not gonna react with whatever's in there, and so it helps preserve it. So my question back to you would be, what are you putting in it? Does it have fresh fruit in it? Did you purge the keg prior to filling it? Did you have it? Did you fill it from a brewery? Did a brewery fill it? If it's beer, if so, they would have purged the oxygen for you, unless they filled it from the tap. What I would recommend is to always fill your keg full of CO2. When it's empty, fill it full of CO2 and then pull the relief valve a few times on it if your keg's got a relief valve on it, and it'll push the oxygen out. And then when you actually do open up your keg, like if it's a cold 2-gallon keg, it's got a removable spear on it. When you pull that out, CO2 is heavier than air, and so oxygen won't really get into it. And then when you fill it, it will push that CO2 out as it's being filled, and it will kind of create this like barrier between your liquid and and the oxygen, right? And so that's an easy way to preserve it. So that's a long way of saying I don't know, depending on what you're putting in it. With beer, if you've purged the keg and you're leaving it on CO2 and you want to drink off of it for a little while, like it should last a few months. Beer will eventually go bad because there's always yeast in it and it'll slowly break down, but it'll last a few months. With liquor, depending how strong it is, it'll last quite a while. So if you're using a 2-gallon keg or a 5-gallon keg, it'll probably last longer than what you think.
Get stadium quality draft at home or on the go with a cold one. No power required. Built for the fans. Built for the win.